This week I did some sewing without shooting any videos. After months and months of chasing deadlines, overworking myself, shooting videos, making sure the camera angle was right, moving the camera from the work table to the sewing machine, editing videos, hoping I got the right footage, and then chasing installation after installation, feeling the pressure to post on social media. My body and my mind needed to decompress. I needed to sit at the sewing machine and just make something, feel the fabric, design something, sew something without the pressure of shooting a video or taking any pictures, even. And do you know what happened? The tension in my shoulders and my neck has melted away. I'm sleeping better. And best of all, I'm starting to feel the excitement of creating more content, more video lessons for the membership, and sharing it with you. The break really did me good. It helped to soothe my soul. It helped to relax my body and my mind and just my overall well being. I don't feel that constant stress that has been driving me for so many months. Do you want to see what I made? Remember, it was something simple because that's what I needed to spark my joy again. Check back tomorrow and see if you guessed right. Now, if you're feeling like me and you've built up some stress and some pressure and you really feel that you need a break, won't you try to see if you can carve out maybe 30 minutes or maybe even a half a day where you can do something that soothes your soul and helps you recharge your batteries? Because do you know what? You are worth it.